Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the Cash App. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a menu bar. Tap on the Money tab, which is usually on the bottom left and shows your current balance. Now scroll down a little until you find the Bitcoin section. It may be labeled as Bitcoin or show a small Bitcoin symbol. Tap on this section to open your Bitcoin settings and options. On the Bitcoin screen, look for the option that says Deposit Bitcoin. Tap on it. This will open a new screen where your personal Bitcoin wallet address is displayed. You will now see a long string of letters and numbers. This is your Bitcoin wallet address. To copy the address, tap on the copy icon next to it. This will save the address to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. You can also choose to share your QR code if someone wants to send you Bitcoin by scanning it instead. Make sure you double-check the address before sharing it, as transactions cannot be reversed. Thanks for watching.